Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to change your YouTube channel name. So let's see how to do that. And you can see, click on it. You can see my YouTube channel name and then view channel. So open view channel and then pen icon, click on it. You can see my current YouTube channel name, original itech, and then click here. And in this way I can easily change my current YouTube channel name, original itech. So let's see how to do that. And then write new YouTube channel name. You can see in this I can write my new YouTube channel name, pure itech, visible to anyone on YouTube. Changes to your name will be reflected only on YouTube. You can change your name twice in 14 days. Remember. And then you can see save. So click on it, save. And in this way you can easily change your YouTube channel name. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.